along with Sarah and her family.
But Dad, I hate China. Can we someplace else, like Mexico or Paris?
No, we're not going to Mexico. Or Paris.
Now get your bold ass in car or you are grounded.
Oh come on Dad, why we can't just go another time?
Classic caillou. Shut up. We are going to China and that is a strong final. So shut up and buckle up.
You guys are such pussies.
What was that, little brat?
Nothing, Mom.
That's why I go. Classic caillou.
Oh my God, are we there yet? It's only has been 15 minutes. Tell me now.
No, we're not the you pussy nigga can suck an Applebee's bitch ha mama. Go die. Classic bitch you.
Whoa.
Ouch, that hurts.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh no, the car is destroyed and we can't go to China.
This classic caillou fault. No. All he did have to do was be patient, but no. He has to cause us a fucking season this bitch. That it. I'm going to beat the fuck out of you, bitch. Sit down, shut up right now. I said shut up, you bold bitch.